So let's do a vlog on how we're going to claim your Union Bank na mga rewards with your credit card. This can be your Union Bank branded credit card, or this can also be your Citibank credit card. Previously Citibank branded credit card, I mean. So basta it's all Union Bank in short. So I'm sure a lot of people will be asking. So let's do this. Wala namang problema. Kaya natin siya gawin. Okay. First things first, when you go into your Union Bank na website, or pwede rin naman to sa app, very similar po yung app mo at saka yung website mo, you have to firstly click on your credit card. So your credit card will show kung ano yung card that you have. Just type on or click on the card that you want to claim your rewards, or where you want to redeem your rewards. Now, for example, yung akin will be my Miles Plus World Mastercard. This is the previously known as the Premium or Premier Miles ni Citibank. Naging Miles Plus na siya. So here you will see, pag kinik mo yung card na yan, meron siya dito sa right side will be redeem, or kung nasa app ka, nasa baba lang siya, scroll down ka lang, may redeem. So when you redeem your rewards, makita mo dito how many points you have and kung anong mga pwede mong i-claim na mga points or mga reward types. So here on top, meron siyang all Union Bank. So sa Union Bank, annual fee waiver yan or cash credit. Entertainment, meron kang cinemas, whatever, laro, time zone. Sa food, guys, medyo marami sa food dito kasi EGCs naman ang ibibigay sa'yo dito. EGCs, ito yung parang giveaway kung alam nyo, di ba? So ang daming mga restaurants dito, maraming mga groups, like almost ano mong gusto mong kainin dyan, guys. Parang I'm sure may mapipili ka dito if gusto mo man ipalit yung points mo to the GCs for meals, diba? Bistro Group, nandyan yan. Salvatore, yung mga Nikkei. Usually ito yung mga partners talaga na nakikita mo online, diba? So not that bad. Ang dami talaga dito na pwede mong pagpilian. So I'll just scroll up kasi hindi ko naman siya gusto. Ayoko magpapalit ng food. And then, health and wellness. Dito, syempre, ang dami rin naman ito. May sports, may gym, may mata, may pang ngipin, may high precision pa nga dito, guys. Kung kailangan mo pa blood test, o, diba? Others here, Jollibee Foundations, WWF. And then services, you have GrabFood, GrabCard, GrabMart, Panda Pro, di ba? Panda, Food Panda. Lahat ng mga pwede mong isipin, guys, nandito to. And then shops, you have 7-Eleven, Roostans, Metromark, Primer, yung mga luggage yan, yung mga Birkenstock sa kanila yon. Havianas, di ba? You have it here. Rusty Lopez, Salomon, on fairness, ang dami, o, di ba? Meron ka World Balance, meron ka pa other items. Travel Club, o, di ba? May Travel Club, Hydro Flask, Tumi. Siyempre, guys, inisa-isa ko na sa inyo to, di ba? Parang, okay lang yan. You can click on next para if ever ayaw mo na ako makadinig, kung ayaw nyo marinig yung boses ko na dito. So, iniisa ko yung mga rewards. Uy, may Power Max Center rin pala dito, so at least you can also get it. In short, parang lahat ng mga giveaway catalogs nandito siya. And then, travel and leisure. Nandito yung mga air miles, hotels, Philippine Airlines, etc. Wala siyang GCash, wala rin siyang Maya. Yun lang yung something that you have to watch out for, or if ever you want to convert it, wala. The best that I can recommend, pwede mo siya gawing Grab na credits, or if ever shopping credits. If I'm not mistaken, meron siya dito mga Lazada, and then you have Shopee. Just give me a second. Ay, parang wala rin pala. I'm so sorry. Parang wala. Lazada. Okay, parang wala siyang Lazada. Anyways, may Grab ka naman, so at least, pwede yun, di ba? Okay, anyways, so for me, for this specific video, what I'm going to do, I want to convert my air miles to Singapore Airlines Air Miles. So I will click on Travel and Leisure and click on Singapore Airlines na KrisFlyer. Now, lalabas on the right side is every 1,600 pesos or points will be converted into 1,000 miles. Very similar siya kay Citibank back then na 1.6 miles is equivalent to 1 air miles ng whoever partner mo siya kanya. So, you can just add kung ilan man yung gusto mong quantities or yung mga perks or ilan man yung kailangan mo i-convert, wala pong problema. And then, makikita mo dito kung how many total points ang kailangan mo to get that or to convert for that specific reward. So, example, kung 10,000 air miles ang gusto ko i-convert to my KrisFlyer, it will cost me 16,000 points. So, for this specific example, that's what I'm going to do. I want to convert to my KrisFlyer, Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, 10,000 miles ang gusto ko. And then, 16,000 points ang kailangan makuha sa akin or yan yung magagamit sa akin. Now, one thing that I want to remind you is you have to have the membership card ready here. Kasi if you don't have the membership card ready, you will not earn or you will not be able to convert that to that specific air mile. Applying for your KrisFlyer, Mabuhay Miles, Cathay Pacific, Turkish Airways are all free. Wala pong problema. You just have to go to their website. Pwede mo siya i-apply doon. And then makikita mo na yung number mo sa email mo or sa app mo. For example, I will convert to my Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer. I would be typing my number here. Naka-block po siya. Kasi syempre, hindi ko naman pwede ipakita sa inyo. Double check ko lang yung tama number ba siya. Okay, very good. And then, here you have your first name. I-type mo lang yan. And then, syempre, my last name here as well. So, after those details have been entered, double check all of the details. Again, guys, I always remind you to double check, kasi mahirap na if magkamali kayo. And then, if you have all the conditions, go. But I will also recommend you guys na you always type in your full name. If it's first name mo, hinihingi, type in your first, second, and even your middle name. And then last name mo will be their last name. Kasi mahirap na kung magkamali tayo. Baka hindi na ma-convert yun, di ba? Do note here also, nakasulat dito na medyo 2 weeks before you plan to book kasi paminsan it takes roughly around 2 weeks for it to get converted. But based on my experience back then kay Union Bank, ang bilis ko siyang napa-convert, walang problema. So if everything is correct, just click on continue, confirming your redemption. So I will be redeeming the Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer miles. And then my membership number, again, confirm it. So yes. First name ko, last name, and then how many miles gusto ko, and then ilang points ang ibabawas sa akin. And then just click on proceed with redemption. So when you click on proceed with redemption, ipoprocess na yan and you will get the redemption details here. So makikita mo dito na redemption complete, may reference number ka, transaction date mo rin as well is here. And then ilan yung quantity na kuha mo. And don't forget, you have to allow 1 to 2 weeks for it to be credited to your KrisFlyer or to whatever airline partner miles na yan. Sometimes, based on my experience dati, parang 2 days nga lang nag-convert na siya. But, syempre, it's better na wag mong gagawin siyang last minute na biglang magta-travel ka na kailangan mo siya. No, ha? Wag mong ganyan. So, yes, don't do that. I want to show you a sample here kasi since we're already here, nag-convert ako dati with Citibank or with Union Bank. I'm going to show it to you here. Okay, so if you can see it here, nandito po siya sa May 22 accrual. So here, if you see May 22 accrual, nandyan po, nag-accrue ako ng 10,000 miles. Kinonvert ko po siya with my Union Bank. So yes, mabilis po yung naging proseso ko dyan. Parang 2 days lang yung intay ko tapos nandun na. So, don't forget also why I am currently using Singapore Airlines and Asia Miles. It's because sa Singapore Airlines, marami siyang tinatawag lang spontaneous miles. So, for example, you can get a ticket Manila to Singapore for 9,450 air miles lang. Regular air miles na is at 14,500, 14,000 siya. So, 30% off siya. But spontaneous travels or yung para spontaneous escapades, if I'm not mistaken, it's called by Singapore Airlines. Parang next month ka agad yung travel mo. Hindi siya parang mong pre-book ka lang napakatagal. So, yun lang yung watch out mo doon. But, with 30% off, guys, di ba, ang sulit na yan. And also, abang rin kayo kasi marami siyang mga sale. Pag matagal na matagal pa yung travel mo, meron siyang mga saver. May saver for economy, may saver for premium economy, may business class na saver, even first class sometimes might have some. But guys, pwede nyo siya. And especially ako, if I need to go on a lot of different trips, I would definitely book multiple economy class kasi mas mura naman siya compared to business. But also, if I want to treat myself to a business class flight, pwede rin siya kasi paminsan, mas hindi masakit if you use your air miles, di ba? Rather than paying it in cash. Ang mahal talaga ng business class tickets, di ba? So anyways, that's about it. That's how we want to do or how you convert from your Union Bank. That is also your new Citibank way of converting if you have a previously Citibank branded credit card as well. So yes, hopefully I heard that Union Bank said that they will have dapat lahat ng mga perks and mga partners na na-enjoy na kay Citi, parehas pa rin daw. Let's see, baka naman they're just beefing up and ramping up their rewards system para mas marami pa yung mga airlines natin isasama. We'll know it in the future, but hopefully this video naging helpful po sa inyo on how you're going to convert your Union Bank points into air miles, into other rewards. So guys, ganun lang siya, napakadali lang. Do it the same way for other rewards that you might get. And to claim other points, If ever it's an EGC, you just have to show the EGC or the voucher code to the merchants, then i-honor na nila yan. Very similar siya sa proseso ng giveaway, very similar rin siya sa proseso ng BPI if ever you do have a BPI credit card. So, yun po yun. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and syempre, follow for more para at least lahat ng mga videos na to kung ano gusto nyo gagawa tayo at gagawa tayo ng maraming ganitong videos. So, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys. Maraming salamat.